Well, guys, a major victory for the Trump administration today and also conservatives. I'm going to get to all that here in just a second. If you guys wouldn't mind, really quick, though, giving this video a like, also sharing this video with your friends and family. Help me spread the word out, guys, about what I'm doing here at the channel. So many of you have been so loyal over the years, and I greatly appreciate that. And you guys sharing these videos out and bringing more people here to the channel really means a lot to me. So thank you so much. And if you are new, hit that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? Kick it, punch it, elbow drop it, leg drop it, whatever you have to do. Just hit subscribe, activate it, and check out the content that we have here. We have new videos coming out pretty much each and every single day. Well, big news broke today from the Supreme Court. They are upholding President Donald Trump's ban on transgender military troops. Now, just to kind of give you a little bit of a backstory on this for those who were not aware beforehand, back when President Obama was in office, he had there was no ban in place. There had been, and he had reversed that and taken that ban away and allowed transgender troops. Not only that, but tax funded. Your tax dollars, that's right, went to fund reconstructive surgery for many of these transgender troops that were in the military. So not a good your tax dollars were going to, right? Well, as soon as President Trump took office, he reversed the order again and said that no, he did not want transgenders serving in the military. Now, not because he doesn't like transgender people or anything like that, which is what people were screaming initially, but it's the simple fact that you don't want to have people on the front lines when you are going to war for those who have mental issues, because like it or not, those people who are transgender, they are going to have mental issues. That is a mental sickness, and that's not popular to say or anything of the sort, okay? And I know YouTube won't like me saying that, and they'll demonetize my video for it, but it's the truth. You do not want those types of people out there fighting when they have all of that stuff going on in their head. You just don't. Now, originally, the case didn't get taken up as quick as Trump wanted it to, but it finally has now, and the Supreme Court, rather, they have upheld that ban for the time being. So that's a good thing. That's a victory for Trump. Now, does it mean that transgenders are barred from any form of service in the military? No. This only applies to those who are actually going to be in combat. It has nothing to do with any sort of transgender that is serving in the military in another capacity, no matter what that capacity is. It could be anything else. But as far as being one of the troops and on the front lines and everything like that, they will not be allowed to serve. There is the ban. Now, now it's in effect for the long term. So before it was short term, they weren't sure if the Supreme Court was actually going to uphold or not. It could have very easily been reversed. And I've said this before, with Trump being able to put these conservative justices on the bench, this is helping him win a lot of these cases in the Supreme Court. And I like to call this one the Kavanaugh effect. So for everybody that persecuted Kavanaugh when he was getting lambasted by the Democrats and everything for sexual assault and everything like that went on, he is on the court now. It is a 5-4 conservative lean on the Supreme Court, and this helped out in the vote, turning it out into the 5-4 conservative favor lean and giving a victory to the president. It's pretty major. There is chaos going on in the world, and Trump is facing a lot of other problems as far as Democrats calling for his impeachment, everything else like that. But getting the right judges and justices into the courts and on the bench is so crucial, because it really helps out in times like this. And this is a victory for the president because exactly that reason. But guys, as always, I want to hear from you. What do you think about the Supreme Court upholding Trump's transgender military ban? Let me know what you think below. Leave some comments, leave some feedback. Let's discuss it. I'll be back with more. You guys take care. Please be safe out there. God bless each and every single one of you, and I will talk with you soon.